everybody, what we're going to be tying today is a cased Puppa pattern. It's a pattern that mimics cased caddises, which you're going to find in many streams in the southeast and throughout the country. So let's get going. Okay, for materials, we have a big T short nymph hook, size 18. All right. We have a tungsten bead. This is a copper one, 2.4 millimeters. Now you can also use black or brown. For ribbing, we have ultra wire brown, small. Then for the case, on this particular pattern, we're going to use Hairline Dubbin's hare's ear pattern, or excuse me, dubbing. Now if you'd like a darker case, I also like the Dave Whitlock's SLF dubbing, and it's in a red fox squirrel thorax. Okay, we're also going to be using some caddis dubbing, just some green caddis. So let's get started. So I've already got the hook and the vise and the bead on the hook, so let's get going. Now for thread, we've got Viva's 6/0, it's caddis green, and we're just going to start that on the hook. Trim that off, and we're going to put our ribbing on. Now if you're going to use the darker dubbing for the darker case, I would use a brighter wire on this, just so it's going to show up. Okay, just going to tie it back just a little bit around the bend on that. Just get it started around there. Then we're going to come in and we're going to use put some of this dubbing for the case on it. Start that around. Rub that wire. We'll add a little more as we go along here. Take a little bit of that off. Alright, then we're just going to wrap our wire. Even turns as you go around. Bring that up. We're going to tie that off. Just helicopter that bad boy off just like that. We're going to add our caddis dubbing here. Now with this wider thread, what I like to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of dubbing on, just like that, and then we're going to take and when we whip finish, we're just going to whip finish that down on top of that, so we're really not going to see. Now, let's get that just right here. Much thread. Trim that dubbing just a little bit. Okay, we probably want to just pick that out a little bit. Alright, there you go. Case caddis. Fish it and enjoy.